Hey friends, I'm back with another kitchen renovation diary. So I didn't publish an episode last week because we're kind of in the phase of renovation where there's a lot of stuff that's going on behind the drywall that doesn't really make for a real dramatic video. So when we took the Formica off the original backsplash that was behind all the red tile, it ripped a lot of the paper off of the drywall. We were really nervous about putting marble tile backsplash on top of that ripped up paper. We decided to go ahead and cut out all that drywall, and actually it ended up being a blessing because it made it a lot easier for Chris to work on electrical. So it really ended up killing two birds with one stone. So you can kind of see in the background where all the purple is, that's the new drywall. So I have to take just a minute to brag on my husband. He works 2 jobs. He is a mechanic during the week, and he is the technical director of our church on the weekends and on Wednesday evenings. He has worked so hard on this project, and I'm so grateful for him. I'm so proud of him. I never want to take it for granted how good he is to me. I'm just so grateful for him and how he takes care of me. So, without further ado, here are some of the things that have been happening recently that I'm really excited about and I can't wait to share with y'all. So Chris and I made a really quick trip to Shreveport, Louisiana, which is about an hour and a half west of us, and we went to Triton Stone to pick out our quartz. I didn't get a lot of footage. I didn't get hardly anything while we were there because it was so quick. We actually rushed over to Shreveport, picked out 2 options for our quartz countertops, and then we rushed back so my husband could set up a sound system for a youth event for our church. So the 2 choices that we came up with were Calcutta Duomo and Bianca Moreno. So the Calcutta Duomo has a more defined veining throughout the quartz, and then the Bianca Moreno, it's kind of more subtle veining throughout, and so I haven't made a decision yet, but I know either way it's going to be beautiful. So the next thing is I went to Southern Kitchen and Bath to pick out my vent hood, my sink, and my faucet. Amanda is the manager of the showroom, and she did such an amazing job. She was so helpful and so kind. It was really great. They have so many options there, so many beautiful things. I have my faucets narrowed down to 2 different options. The faucet is such a functional thing, but it's also kind of almost a little piece of jewelry for your kitchen. So I'm also really excited about the fact that we got our drawings from the cabinet maker. We are so looking forward to getting this kitchen put back together. The drawings look amazing, and actually I was able to drop by their workshop, and they were kind enough to let me walk around in the shop where the guys were assembling some of the most beautiful cabinets. And it was really great because I chose inset cabinets for my kitchen, and the cabinetry that they were working on had inset cabinet doors. So I kind of got an idea of what our kitchen is going to look like. Like I said, Chris and I had been following their Facebook page for really a long time before we went into this project. Going to their shop in real life, it was just amazing, just the level of skill that it takes to build all these things. I'm just grateful for people who have that knowledge and who have that skill, and it was just really great to see it in person. Definitely, if you're in Northeast Louisiana, I highly recommend M&M Millworks. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. Would you please let me know in the comments? And as always, we want to invite you to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss any of the good stuff that we have for you. Y'all have a wonderful day.